Hi everyone, this is our fifth strategy today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to watch all the strategies we drop today, 13th of April 2022. You can see we already won that trade here to the green. You see right there, already won the trade. You can see it's green right there. I'm going to explain strategy to you after this timeout. So for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right there. The boat is automated and it works on both deriv and binary.com interface. You can see some of the results. The version 6.5 is out already. For those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just $9.99 USD. The PIPSREAPER boat as well. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits and it also works on deriv and binary.com interface. You can purchase the two boats. They trade different pairs. The PIPSREAPER boat is just $7.99 USD. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary.pipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Subscribe to all our channels, especially this channel. We're going to drop more strategies on this channel. Subscribe to this channel and all our channels. Here are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account yet. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is a link to subscribe to the first channel. This is a link to subscribe to the second channel, and this is a link to subscribe to the third channel. So we're going to get back to the trading right now. As stated earlier, we are going to be trading the Volatility 50 index, touch no touch, and we are using the web trader. So once you log into your account, webtrader.binary.com, you go to the trade, you open Volatility 50 index, trade synthetic indices, Volatility 50 index. Once you open it, go to the trade type, go to touch no touch, you click on no touch, set the durations to 5 ticks, set the barrier offset to plus 0.0772. Then you open the chart as well. Go to chart, Volatility 50 index, you open it. Then you set the time interval to 1 tick. So once you do that, don't forget to drag this thing very close so that you'll be able to see this movement right here. You have to drag it very close. Don't drag it too close. Make sure it's at this level. It may be here by default, so you have to drag it very close here for you to be able to see the movement here. Okay, you can see the line movement here. Once it's like this, then you stop right here. So once this thing is right up, we're going to be clicking on purchase. Once it's up, so let's place another trade before we proceed to our next strategy. So it's pushing right up. Okay, it's up there. So let's wait for the outcome of this trade. Okay, as you can see, we already won that trade there, so you can go on and on and on. Make sure you watch the chart carefully before you click on purchase. Watch the chart carefully. Thanks for watching. Bye.